Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3D text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in the word fade, and I'm also going to change the font as well, but you don't have to. And then you are going to select this, like around 4 or 5 colors, up to you, and you're going to go from lightest to darkest. I'm just going to select this purple, then copy and paste it. Select this one, copy and paste it. Oops, hold on. Then I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to select one more color, which is this one. Then you are going to select the second darkest, and you're going to slide it to the right side of your text, or your left, but I prefer it to it's up to you. And then also again select the second lightest and move it to the back. And lastly we have the lightest text, and we're going to move it to the left. You can again move it to either the right side or the left side. And I think I'm going to select a darker purple, maybe not. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and then that's it. You can add in an animation or not, it's up to you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!